When you're flying at 10,000 meters, who makes sure your aircraft doesn't bump into another? The answer: ATC, Air Traffic Control, the invisible team guiding every flight you take. ATC stands for Air Traffic Control. It's a global system of professionals, technology, and rules designed to keep aircraft safely separated, guide them along their routes, and manage one of the most complex networks in the world, the sky itself. Without ATC, every pilot would be on their own. With thousands of aircraft in the air at the same time, that would be chaos. ATC coordinates takeoffs, landings, and movements in the air to make sure everyone gets to their destination safely and efficiently. Being an air traffic controller isn't easy. Controllers must have excellent concentration, quick decision-making skills, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. Training is tough, often lasting 2 to 3 years, and includes both classroom learning and live simulations. Medical and psychological checks are also required because this job is considered one of the most stressful in the world. The world's skies are divided into regions called FIRs, Flight Information Regions. Each is managed by an ATC authority. For example, Europe has Eurocontrol helping coordinate, while the United States has the FAA. The International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, sets the global standards. Every flight crosses multiple ATC regions, and handovers happen seamlessly through radio. ATC isn't just about aircraft in the air. On the ground, controllers manage pushback, taxiing, and runway use. Ground control prevents traffic jams at airports. And yes, airports can be as busy as highways. Once airborne, en route controllers manage aircraft cruising across countries and oceans. They keep safe distances, both vertical and horizontal, and issue instructions for climbs, descents, or reroutes around storms. There are countless examples where quick-thinking controllers saved the day. For instance, in 2001, an air traffic controller guided a Delta flight with instrument failure safely through thick fog. In many emergencies, engine failures, medical issues, controllers are the pilot's lifeline. Sadly, mistakes in ATC have also led to disasters. The Uberlingen mid-air collision in 2002 happened after a miscommunication between pilots and a single controller who was overloaded. It showed how vital proper staffing, communication, and backup systems are. Pilots often say ATC is like having a guardian angel on the radio. Controllers don't fly the plane, but they make sure pilots always know where they are, who's around them, and what to expect. It's one of the best examples of teamwork in aviation. So the next time you hear the pilot say, "ATC has cleared us for takeoff," remember the invisible voices guiding the skies. They work behind the scenes, but without them, flying would not be the safest form of transport. The sky has never been the limit, just the beginning. Subscribe for more short, beginner-friendly videos about aviation.